Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome to the Device Unlock Master channel. In today's video, we will completely unlock an STC Wi-Fi device so that it can work on almost all networks around the world. Its model number is Huawei E5783-230a. This is a latest security V5 router. Friends, we provide an online service. One of our friends got our number from YouTube and requested us to unlock this router for him. He said he took his router to many markets, but it couldn't be unlocked anywhere. So he searched on YouTube as a last resort, found our number, and now we are connecting remotely via AnyDesk to unlock this router. We will show you full proof that we unlock this router so it can work on all networks worldwide. If you also want to use any SIM network of your choice in your router, then please watch this video until the end. I will show you the complete process step by step so that you can understand everything easily without any trouble. If you don't want to waste your time on long experiments and repeated failures, this video will be very helpful for you because I will explain the entire process in a concise, clear, easy, and professional way. So let's begin the video without any delay. The router has been successfully unlocked. As you can see on the screen, this is the same router that previously showed a network status lock. Now it is supporting the SIM card, and the Bahrain STC network is working. You can see 4G signals coming in. Now this router can be used on all networks in all countries without any hassle. If you also have a similar router, or a device like a pocket router or Wi-Fi modem, and you want to get it unlocked, you can contact us and get your work done just like this. Let me clarify. To get online services, you need to have a laptop or computer, and you must have an internet connection. Using AnyDesk, TeamViewer, or UltraViewer, You can unlock your router, modem, or Wi-Fi device online without any hassle. Our charges are reasonable, and you can easily pay them. Our contact number is displayed on the screen, +923-067-137. Please contact us on WhatsApp, and from the comfort of your home, get any router, pocket Wi-Fi device, or modem unlocked. I hope you liked our services. We always strive to provide our customers with good quality, guaranteed service. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you also want to get updates about new software, please subscribe to our channel. Stay updated in the world of 4G and 5G by pressing the bell icon. You will learn a lot here. I will see you in another new topic. Until then, take care, keep us in your prayers, and goodbye.